Most people get their tax refund, and 2 weeks later, it's gone. New clothes, a quick trip, bills, random spending, and then nothing changes. But this year, refunds are actually bigger. People are seeing around 10% more back than last year. The average refund? Over $3,500. Now here's the real question. What if that money didn't disappear? What if it became the thing that changed your entire career? At Inc Different, we've seen people use one smart decision like this to completely change their future, from working jobs they hate to building real careers as tattoo artists. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use your tax refund to start a tattoo apprenticeship this year, what it actually costs, where your money should go first, and how to avoid wasting it on the wrong path. Because if you spend this refund the same way you always do, you might lose another year, doing work you were never meant for. Let's get into it. Your tax refund feels different than normal money. Why? Because mentally, it feels like extra. It's not your paycheck. It feels like bonus money. And that's exactly why most people waste it. They treat it like spending money, not investment money. But think about this. The average refund this year is over $3,500. That's not small. That's enough to create real momentum, enough to start something, enough to stop saying, maybe next year. Because starting early matters. If you begin your apprenticeship now, you get months ahead. More practice, more experience, more progress. While everyone else is still thinking about it, that timing matters. Because careers are built by momentum, not motivation. And this is where most people miss it. They use short-term money for short-term happiness instead of long-term freedom. A lot of people hear tattoo apprenticeship and immediately assume, I can't afford that. That's usually not true. It just feels expensive because nobody breaks it down. So let's do that. First, apprenticeship tuition or training fees. Some studios charge for mentorship, studio access, and structured learning. That's normal. You're paying for real education, not YouTube tutorials. Second, basic supplies, practice skins, gloves, needles, art supplies, starter tools. You do not need the fanciest gear. You need safe, reliable, professional basics. Third, transportation and schedule adjustments. Sometimes the real cost isn't the equipment, it's making room in your life, changing schedules, traveling to the studio, working around your current job. That's the part people forget. But here's the truth. You do not need a giant savings account. You need a smart start. Most successful tattoo artists didn't begin with everything. They began with commitment. That's the difference. This is where strategy matters, because blowing your entire refund at once, that's usually the mistake. Here's the smarter move. First, secure your apprenticeship. Lock in your spot. A real mentor, a real studio, a real path. That matters more than buying fancy equipment. Mentorship first, gear second, always. Second, use part of your refund to support your transition. Maybe that means reducing work hours. Maybe it means covering transportation. Maybe it gives you breathing room while you train. That flexibility is huge. Third, invest in drawing and practice. People forget, before tattooing skin, you need to master fundamentals. Sketchbooks, practice materials, repetition. That matters more than people think. And fourth, don't spend it all immediately. Momentum beats impulse. Stretch your money, protect your progress. Because this isn't about looking like a tattoo artist. It's about becoming one. Huge difference. Before you spend $1, do this first. Research your apprenticeship options, because not every tattoo apprenticeship is worth your investment. Some studios just want cheap labor. Some offer no real mentorship. Some leave people stuck. That's dangerous. You need structured guidance, real studio experience, and a clear path forward. Not vague promises. Second, build your portfolio. Even simple drawings matter. Mentors want to see seriousness, not perfection. Commitment. Third, talk to working tattoo artists. Ask real questions. What was hard? What surprised them? What would they do differently? Those conversations matter, because confidence comes from clarity, and clarity saves money. Bad decisions are expensive. Preparation protects your investment. This is exactly why Become a Tattoo Artist exists. Because too many people want to enter tattooing, but have no clear path. At Inc Different, the goal is simple. Real mentorship, real training, real career outcomes, not guesswork. Our traditional tattoo apprenticeship gives you hands-on studio experience, daily guided learning, professional mentorship, and a guaranteed job offer after graduation. That last part matters because most industries today give you education and then leave you alone. Here, you finish ready to work. That security is rare, especially right now. And if you want to go even further, there's Master Mentorship. 1 full year working with celebrity tattoo artists and successful shop owners like Al Fliction, Liz Cook, Jordy Pla, and more. That's where serious growth happens, not shortcuts, real mastery. The biggest mistake is thinking your refund is just spending money. It's not. It's leverage. It's a chance, a decision point. Because 1 year from now, you can either say, I spent it and nothing changed, or that was the moment my tattoo career started. That choice matters. And honestly, it's not really about the tax refund. It's about whether you're ready to bet on yourself. Because careers don't change. When life magically gets easier, they change. When you decide to move, even before you feel ready. Especially then, if you're ready to make this year count and turn your tax refund into the start of a real tattoo career. Go to becomeatattooartist.com. Fill out the form, connect with the team, and see what your apprenticeship path actually looks like. Because your refund is already coming. The real question is, what will it become?